Let Tim give his fingers a rest. You ready, Tim? Oh, yes. Well, my folks,